Sadya Canada, I have to leave you now. Okay, take care. Wala pa naman akong sombrero. Gusto kong balikan, sabi ni Grace, wag na. Ay, si Jed pala.
Hindi, pag malamig-lamig naman talaga, masarap iga. Tinginan ko.
Nilamig na ako kanina, hindi.
Ganyan siguro tayo. Hindi, wala yan. Basta tayo magkakasama. Kasama yan, wala mamaya yan.
Kisses to you and happy birthday again. Thank you. It's not my birthday, my friend's birthday. This one, she's wearing peach. Oy, happy birthday daw sa akin. Si Ate Lindy nga ang birthday. This is the birthday year.